This is the S18. It's a basic fitness watch with all of the different functions inside, including step count, your last night's sleep time, heart rate, different sports like walking, running, and cycling. No GPS, so it's all tied to the pedometer function inside of here. You have the ability to take blood pressure readings and blood oxygen readings too. It has weather built in to synchronize with your phone, the current weather in your area, and 3 total different watch faces you can switch to. You have the remote shutter capability, an onboard timer if you like, an overall brightness setting, reset, power off, and about the watch for tethering. All in all, it's an attractive watch. It's got an interesting bezel with world time type carvings on the side, and of course the digits really highlighted here. A big round knob doesn't do anything when you turn, but it presses to turn it on and off, and some edges to protect it. A nice TPU style band. All in all, pretty interesting little watch. Check it out, the S18.